Hey everyone, today we are reviewing the top 5 best sofa beds on Amazon in 2025. If you're looking for a sofa that's stylish during the day and turns into a comfy bed at night, this list is for you. I'll go through each sofa bed, covering the design, features, comfort, pros and cons, and who it's best for. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Pipishell 3-in-1 Convertible Sleeper Sofa Bed, Black. This sofa bed is perfect if you're short on space but want maximum functionality. The pull-out mechanism is smooth, and the USB ports add a modern touch for charging devices. The velvet fabric gives it a premium look, while the adjustable backrest means you can lounge comfortably. 3-in-1 convertible design, sofa, lounger, bed, pull-out couch with USB ports and side pockets, adjustable backrest, upholstered in soft velvet, lavesiate size, great for small spaces. Pros: compact and versatile design, built-in USB ports and side pockets, adjustable backrest for comfort, small apartments, guest rooms, or anyone wanting a space-saving sofa bed with modern features. Number 2. Oversized Sleeper Sofa Couch 110-inch, dark gray. If you have a big living room, this oversized sofa bed is a showstopper. It comfortably seats multiple people and transforms into a spacious bed for guests. The double storage chaise is excellent for keeping blankets, pillows, or other essentials hidden away. Huge 110-inch sectional sleeper sofa, 2-in-1 pull-out bed, double storage chaise, side pocket included, upholstered in durable dark gray fabric. Pros: oversized design, perfect for large families, double storage for extra functionality, stylish dark gray fabric that fits most decor. Families or anyone with a large living room looking for a sofa bed that doubles as both seating and storage. Number 3. LINSY Home Sectional Sleeper Sofa Corduroy Cloud Couch, beige. This is one of the coziest sofa beds on the list. The plush corduroy fabric feels soft and inviting, while the modular design lets you customize the layout to fit your space. The USB charging is handy, and the storage chaise keeps things neat. Convertible sectional sofa with pull-out bed, plush corduroy fabric for a cozy look, storage chaise for organization, built-in USB charging ports, L-shaped modular design. Pros: cozy corduroy fabric, very comfortable, modular design fits different spaces, storage plus USB charging built in. Apartments or modern living rooms where you want a comfortable, modular sofa bed with storage and charging. Number 4. Compression Convertible Floor Sofa Bed, green. This sofa bed is all about flexibility. It's a floor-style foldable sofa that can be used in living rooms, bedrooms, or even a home office. It's lightweight, easy to set up, and the corduroy fabric adds a casual but stylish touch. Convertible floor sofa bed, foldable design, comes compressed in a box, corduroy fabric upholstery, pillow back support and armrests, lightweight and versatile. Pros: lightweight and portable, easy to fold and move, budget-friendly option, students, small spaces, or anyone who wants a portable budget-friendly sofa bed. Number 5. 108-inch U-shaped sectional sleeper sofa with pull-out bed, dark gray. If you want a true centerpiece for your living room, this U-shaped sectional is the way to go. It has room for the whole family and converts into a large bed when needed. The removable covers make cleaning much easier, and the modular design means you can rearrange sections as you like. Massive 108-inch U-shaped sectional, pull-out sleeper bed, 7-seat modular design, removable covers for easy cleaning, storage included. Pros: huge seating capacity, 7 seats, pull-out bed for guests, easy to clean, removable covers, modular and flexible, big families, entertainers, or anyone who wants a large, flexible sectional sofa bed. So, those were my picks for the top 5 best sofa beds on Amazon in 2025. For small spaces with smart features, go with the Pipishell 3-in-1 convertible sofa bed. For big families and storage, the oversized sleeper sofa is a winner. For cozy, modern living rooms, the LINSY Home Corduroy Sectional Sofa Bed. For a budget-friendly, flexible option, the Compression Floor Sofa Bed. And for a huge modular sectional centerpiece, the 108-inch U-shaped sofa bed. Which one of these would fit your home best? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more product reviews, and check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.